friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing the best in your lives. First of all, welcome to my channel and Ramzan Mubarak to all my Muslim community of YouTube friends and family members. And now let's move back towards our video. Friends, my today's video is unique, beautiful and trendy in itself, and my today's video covers various perspectives, wide areas, and all of these are most demanding, very attractive, very beautiful and easy to make design ideas of hand embroidery. But before going into the further details, please subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the new updates and upcoming videos. And don't forget to like my video and leave comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. Now guys, let's move back towards our detailing. Friends, all of these are very beautiful and highly demanding, decent, and they create a high degree of elegance as well, because all of these are made by using same color thread along with the matching color of the fabric. That is, the color of fabric which you are going to use for making your whole dress, the embroidery thread is exactly the same, and this gives a more royal and ravishing look. All of these could be paired up along with your black or white or beige or skin, some common casual colors of bottoms, trousers, plazos, capris or cigarette pants as well. All of these very beautiful handmade, creative, designer style patterns of dresses could be worn along jeans as well, so it will go absolutely well with this combo. And you can wear these dresses for Eid, for formal parties, for Chandrat, for every type of Ramadan new looks, and especially on Fridays as well. So do let us know what you feel about our content, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the more upcoming new, ravishing, stylish and attractive design ideas related to hand art, hand embroidery, women fashion designing ideas and much more. So stay tuned and stay connected and keep supporting us.